Hey everyone, it's Derek with Colorado Camper Van. I'm going to show you a pretty cool van today. It's a remodel, not a new build. So this one had a complete build in it. We gutted it, tore it all the way down to the sheet metal, re-insulated it, new floors, new walls, and started over. All the furniture and all the cabinetry is all new that we built. I'm going to start off with showing you this Friedman flip-up seat and the table. So the table pops off, and there's a place to store it right behind the seat. And I'll show you that as soon as we get the seat out of here. This just does a quarter turn and unlocks. I'm going to set that up here. So first thing you do is pull this lever out to flip the seat forward. Pull this lever up and it flips the seat up. And then the seat locks in place. To get it back down, you have to push on this lever and then pull it back down. To store the table, it just simply slides or drops right in here. There's a strap to hold it in place and a half turn, and that's locked in place. So for appliances, this has isotherm door fridge, which isn't our normal one, but it does still have a little freezer in there. It has our Ruvati sink, solid surface countertops, and then we did an AquaHot hot water and heating system in it. And then it had existing solar that we reused and an existing inverter that we reused. So it has one small overhead cabinet with lighting underneath. And then it has a microwave cabinet and it has lighting underneath too, so you can see what you're doing in the sink. And then on this side we have the shower, and it's a nice big shower. It has a Laveo dry flush, which is removable. So if you want to have more room in the shower, you can just take the toilet out, or you can leave it in there. It's still a pretty big shower with room to move around. And then it has a just retractable sliding door. And then we're going to go in the back and we'll talk about the dinette. So we raised the floor up on this so they have a lot of storage underneath, and we're going to show you that in a minute. But I'm 6'2" and I still have headroom. Again, this is a Promaster high roof, but I still have headroom to sit up in here. And then this folds in and makes a bed, and we're going to talk about what's in these boxes, and we're going to look at it from the back side. You can see how high the floor is raised to give us storage underneath with the cargo slides. This table will drop down and make a bed. These cushions will fold into the middle and make the bed cushion go all the way across. You can see I'm 6'2". I still got plenty of room in here. So the benefit of having two of these MoreRide cargo slides is I can open one side and I can get at it nice and easy without having to reach from here all the way back to the back. I can step in here and reach all the way to the back. And you can open it with one door. If you have one door closed, you can open the other one and get to it. So I moved all the cushions out of the way here so you guys could see what's going on. So inside this box is our AquaHot heating unit, the 8D battery, their existing inverter, existing solar controller, and then we added in new controllers and battery chargers for it. And then on the driver's side, under our palm trees, we have a water tank, water pump, all the plumbing stuff is over on this side. It has an outdoor shower in the back, all the valves to drain it, and all the business for water is on this side. So here I am laying in the bed. I'm 6'2", laying crossways. I'm right there. But I got plenty of room when I sit up in bed. I have plenty of headroom, so you can sleep 2 adults in here comfortably, as long as they're shorter than me. And then you got room up top. We're gonna go talk about the pop top up top for 2 more people. So this is my happy spot. 6'2", I got lots and lots of room. The bed on this one's about 6'8". Plus you have some headroom up here, a dual USB charging station up here. Pop top, again, has plenty of headroom, like always. This one has a 110 volt air conditioner, so it has to be plugged into shore power to campground or house or whatever to run the AC. It also has a max air fan in the roof. This one we equipped with bug wall screens on the side door and the rear door. And the magnets hold them together, and then they just zip down both each side. And then when you walk into them, they just have magnets and they snap back together. Cool, so this van The pop top got white Raptor liner. Again, we do that on the high roof fans. We do it on the low roof fans too, but we really like doing it on all of them because that Raptor liner is so rough, and these fans all hit tree branches. Doesn't matter where you're going, what you're doing. You'll be in a grocery store parking lot, you're gonna hit tree branches. So that Raptor liner doesn't show any of the scratches. That's the beauty of it. This one also got a roof rack. We reused his existing solar, so it sticks out a little bit, but we made that work with the air conditioner and the fan. Still pretty clean looking. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this van. I wanted to showcase it because it was a remodel and not a new build. Most van companies won't touch a remodel and they won't touch a repair. So we're more than happy to do either or. Hit the like button to see more videos like this. Follow us on social media. And if you have any questions, reach out to our sales team. We'll see you on the next one.